Honey helps in building up the content of which component in the blood? Honey is rich in iron and manganese, which are essential minerals for the synthesis of hemoglobin in the blood. Regular consumption of honey is often recommended in traditional medicine to help combat anemia and improve oxygen transport. Through which veins does the right auricle receive deoxygenated blood? The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the upper body via the precaval vein, superior vena cava, and from the lower body via the postcaval vein, inferior vena cava. This is a vital part of systemic circulation where blood returns to the heart to be pumped to the lungs. What term describes abnormally elevated blood glucose levels? Hyperglycemia is a medical condition characterized by an abnormally high concentration of glucose in the blood, often due to insufficient insulin. It is a hallmark symptom of diabetes mellitus and can lead to various long-term health complications. What effect does carbon monoxide from tobacco smoke have on red blood cells? Carbon monoxide has a much higher affinity for hemoglobin than oxygen, forming a stable compound called carboxyhemoglobin. This prevents hemoglobin from binding to oxygen, leading to significantly reduced oxygen delivery to tissues and organs. What is the primary function of white blood cells in the body? White blood cells, leukocytes, are the primary components of the immune system responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens like bacteria and viruses. They produce antibodies and perform phagocytosis to protect the body from infections. Where do pulmonary veins deliver oxygenated blood? The pulmonary veins are unique because they carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs back to the heart. This oxygenated blood enters the left atrium before being pumped into the left ventricle for systemic circulation. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. The left ventricle receives blood from the left atrium and pumps it out to the rest of the body through the aorta. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body via the superior and inferior vena cava. Where do plasma, proteins, and blood cells escape to form lymph? Lymph is formed when blood plasma, proteins, and cells leak through the thin walls of capillaries into the spaces between tissue cells. This fluid is then collected by the lymphatic system to be returned to the circulatory system. What is the lowest value referred to as when blood pressure falls during a cardiac cycle? Diastolic pressure represents the minimum arterial pressure during the relaxation phase of the cardiac cycle when the heart ventricles fill with blood. In a healthy adult, the normal diastolic pressure is typically around 80 mmHg. Mean arterial pressure is the average pressure in a patient's arteries during one cardiac cycle. Pulse pressure is the numerical difference between the systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings. Systolic pressure is the peak pressure in the arteries, occurring near the end of the cardiac cycle when the ventricles contract. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.